Huwag kang gumamit ng Kailangan magsalita ka ng English. Ito ang American citizen.
Okay.
Okay. Gamitin mo so very mistaken.
So very mistaken.
So very mistaken.
So very
Gagamit ka
mistaken.
ng so. Huwag kang gagamit ng
Okay.
Ito. So very investigate.
So very investigate.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, Eden. Tama ba? Tama, okay. So very strategy.
So very strategy. Talo.
It's very strategy. This is good speaking English.
Yes.
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 This is very established. Yes.
Very
yes.
good speak English.
This is very good.
Yes.
This is very tolerant. That is correct.
Yes.
Very active. This is very super close.
Yes.
Yes. Ang ibig sabihin, kalabisan, no? Yes.
Yes.
This is very rebellious.
Rebellious.
Suwail. That is true. Magsalita ka, friend. American speaking.
Okay.
That's bilis.
Hello. My name is Wiljan Philip T. Daban. What is your name?
Tingin dito tingin, no?
Hello.
Iba,
Hello, my name is Wiljan Philip T. Daban. Hello.
magaling mag-English, no? Idol.
Yes.
So very
Galing. Nice. So very
Consequent.
nice.
so very discover.
Yes.
Yes. Doon sa itaas tingin.
Okay.
Tawagan mo yung mga follower natin.
Hello. Shout
Follower,
out.
kamay.
Shout out.
Mga follower namin.
Hello. Shout out sa mga followers namin.
Huwag kang gumamit ng so ostestable.
Okay.
Very good. Hey friend, salamat.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Tawagan mga follower. Mga follower natin.
Bye-bye mga follower.
Bye. Sige. Okay na, friend.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, friend.
Bye, friend.